Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first video here on YouTube. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So you are probably here dahil wala ka pang Larry's account at ikaw ay first time na magbo-board exam. So I will help you kung paano nga ba gumawa ng Larry's account. So let's start guys. So, first thing, dapat meron kang valid ID. So, ang na-search ko, mga valid ID sa tinatanggap ni Larry's is passport, SSS card, TIN card, voter's ID, and driver's license. So, dapat meron ka ring most recent 2x2 picture and dapat ito ay soft copy. So, ang picture na to dapat ay may white background, may collar yung suot mo, tapos formal attire. And dapat din, your photo must not be taken more than 6 months before your application. And clear picture and your ears should be shown. Dapat meron ka ring active email address. So, yung email address mo ay dapat tanda mo yung password kasi lahat ng transaction mo sa PRC dadaan ka sa Lery. So, dapat alam mo talaga yung email address and password mo. Dapat hindi mo to makalimutan. So, dapat kapag nakapag-login ka na sa Lery's, ilista mo agad sa isang papel kung ano yung ginamit mo email address and password. Dapat meron ka ding active mobile number and your personal data. Dapat alam mo kung yung complete address mo, family background mo, and then educational background, kung kailan ka ba gumraduate. So, next, open ka ng browser and then i-click mo yung www.onlineprc.gov.ph. Pag na-type mo na yan, makikita mo to, Larry's Professional Regulation Commission, pinaka na sa unahan, i-click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo dito, register and sign in. So, since wala ka pang account, magre-register ka muna. So, i-fill out mo yung first name, middle name, last name, your gender, suffix, civil status, and your birthday. So, kapag natapos mo na yan, scroll down mo lang, makikita mo to. Basahin mo lang yan, medyo mahaba siya. Tapos, kapag natapos mo na siyang basahin, i-click mo yung I agree. Next, lalabas tong, is this your correct name? So, double check your first name, middle name, and last name, and then your suffix. Kapag wala namang problema, correct ang spelling and spacing, and then, click mo na yung yes. So, makikita mo dyan, successful. You may now log in your account. So, meron ka ng, nakaregistered ka na. Click mo lang yung continue. So, makikita mo dito yung babalik siya dun sa sign in. So, ilalagin mo na yung email address mo and then your password. So, remember na wag niyong kakalimutan kung ano yung password nyo kasi lahat ng transaction nyo sa PRC dadaan kayo sa Larry's. So, kapag okay na yung email and password, click nyo lang yung I'm not a robot. Then, sign in. So, makikita nyo dyan yung family background, educational background, makikita niyo yung mga hindi nyo na-fill outan kanina, dapat makompleto nyo yan. Dapat ay malagyan nyo lahat sila ng information. So, hindi ko na-screenshot lahat nung ginawa ko. Ito lang yung mga na-screenshot ko. So, explore nyo na lang siya. And then, makikita nyo naman dito yung valid ID. So, ilalagay nyo dyan yung valid ID number, issued at, and issued date. Tapos, makikita nyo dyan kung kayo ay person with disability, may pipindutin kayo dyan, and if none, hindi ka naman PWD, click mo yung none, and then save information. Tapos, papop up ulit to, ipapakonfirm kung tama ba yung first name, middle name, and last name. Please double check guys, tapos click yes kapag okay na. Tapos, lalabas dito yung photo requirements. So, basahin nyo mabuti. Nakalagay dito, the photo must be colored in plain white background. The photo must be taken within the last 6 months. The applicants must wear any decent attire with collar and no wearing of sleeveless. The photo must be full face view directly facing the camera. So, kapag okay na, tama naman yung picture nyo, choose file, tapos i-upload nyo lang dito. I-drag nyo dyan sa may box, and then, i-adjust nyo lang. Meron dyan zoom in, zoom out. So, i-adjust nyo yung picture nyo. And then, charan, meron ko ng Larry's account. So, tinakloban ko lang yung aking mga information dyan, tapos binago ko yung picture para hindi nyo makita yung picture ko. So, nakalagay dyan, personal information, kompleto na, contact details, educational background, family background. Makikita nyo yung lahat dyan sa profile. So, kapag naman, magsaselect ka na ng transaction, i-click mo lang yung nasa right side na select transaction. Kung ikaw ay magpapa-appointment sa PRC, dyan yung lalabas. So, explore nyo lang guys. And meron na kayong Larry's account. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.